Okay, good morning. Welcome to
KidMath164.
KidMath number 164. So this is problem 23 from the 1999 AMC8, and this one gave you a real hard time yesterday. So we talked about it, and I would like you to talk about it for this video. Okay. Square ABCD has side length 3. CM and CN divide the square into 3 equal pieces. How long is CM? Okay.
Well, since this is 3 by 3, the area is 9, and it says these were all equal.
The area of what is 9?
The area of the entire square is 9.
The area of the entire square
And
is 9.
all
Okay.
these pieces are equal. So these have to be 3.
Okay. So that's one very important observation, right? And that's using the information from the problem that said these lines chop it into 3 equal pieces. Okay, super.
So we can use our triangle area formula. And we know that this is 2.
All right. How do you know that that's
Because
2?
it's 1/2 base times height. And we know the triangle area formula is 1/2 base times height. And we know one of them is 3.
Okay.
Then
Which one is 3? Show on the...
this one.
That's 3. Okay, great.
And this equals 3.
All right.
So that means this has to cancel with this.
Okay.
So it has to be 2.
All right. Now, why do you know you can use that formula with this triangle?
Because it's a right triangle.
It's a right triangle. That's really important. This is a right angle. And why do you know that's a right angle?
Because it's a part of a square.
It's a part of a square. Okay. So looking at this problem, you've got 3 new shapes that are created by these lines. 2 of them are pretty easy to understand.
Yeah, but this one...
The middle one is not necessarily super hard to understand, but it's not easy to understand. These ones over here are easy to understand because they're right triangles. Okay.
So CM is 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is 9 plus 4. So it's going to be 13, and then we have to take the square root of that.
Okay.
So this is the square root of 13.
All right, and how did you come up with that?
From the Pythagorean theorem,
Pythagorean
a
theorem.
squared plus b squared is c squared.
Okay, awesome. So this problem pulls in a lot of ideas from geometry, and we haven't studied geometry. We've talked about some basic geometry over the years, and that's what this pulls in, some just basic ideas from geometry. The first basic idea is that the area of a square is the square of the sides. Okay. The other thing is that when these lines cut the square into 3 equal pieces, you know the areas were the same, 3. Now you knew this right triangle had an area of 3, and you knew one side. That helped you learn the other side. Okay, and once you knew 2 sides of a right triangle, you can find the third side. Okay, so good problem, right?
Yeah.
And tricky too. Not super duper hard to understand once we've gone through it, but the first time through pretty tricky, right?
Yeah.
All right, good job with that, huh? Good job.